So we're going to look at question 7, and this document here can be very useful as an aid to help you work out assignments. So feel free to print this out or just mimic the drawings that are on this page if you like. You can kind of freehand it as well. So I'm going to move over to question 7, see if I can find that for us. It may need a calculator, so we'll go ahead and pull that up as well. Okay. So question 7 says, assume that a normal distribution of data has a mean of 22 and a standard deviation of 2. So that kind of jumped off there. Use the empirical rule to find the percentage values that lie below 26. So if I kind of sketch this out, remember the mean is in the middle, so the 22 is located here. And if we have a standard deviation of 2, this would be then 24, 26. Try that again. 26 and 28. If I drop down to this would be then 20, 18, 16. So our question is use the empirical rule to find the percentage of values that lie below 26. So they're wanting to know from here and below. So they're wanting to know the percentages all the way over to the side. So basically we're looking for this. So not real neat here, but we're looking for the area under the curve from 26 and below. What we can pick up on though is, you know, half the data is left of the mean. So 50% of the data is from all the way over here to here. But then notice how 34% of the data, because 68%, 34 is here, 34 is there. 34% of the data takes me out to one standard deviation. And then what's it? But we're two standard deviations, aren't we? So we have to go what half of 95 point, what's half of 95 there? So 95 divided by 2. So 47.5 would be what we have on this other side over here. Because since we're going all the way out to 2, that would be then 47.5% would be here. So it looks like if we add those together, the 50% and the 47.5%, because this here really isn't helping me as good as I was hoping because they got these decimals here. We're not using those decimals. We're just simply saying 34%, things like that. So, so 50 plus 47.5, that looks like that's going to be 97.5%. Okay, so we would have that as our percentage of the data that's below that. So we're pretty much almost all the data is included there then. So that would be question 7, below 96. So notice how we have to kind of do a little bit of math here. Half the mean is 50%, and then we went 2 standard deviations because 26 is 2 standard deviations. So we had to divide that 95 by 2 and got this 47.5 because half of it is to the left and half of it is to the right of the mean. So we do get 97.5% for that. Just pay attention to rounding because I'm not really sure how that one rounds.